guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. We're still on the Skyline, Nissan Skyline GTT episode. So now we have to clean the wheel arches where we have been done the work, and we extend the inner panel, and we have to put the sim sealer, and then we have to put the stone chips as well. So all the welding has to be covered properly with the sim sealer, and then we have to apply the stone chips, which is the under seal, in black color, because the most of the cars come in black color. All that has to be clean and paint. And then we got here the seal panel. The way the car's being treated is very bad. So after we're taking all the dirt off with the wire brush, what we're going to do now, as you can see, that this is all the dirt come from it. Not a lot, but it has to be clean anyway. So we're going to jet wash the car to clean it properly, so when we put under the seal, they will be covered perfectly, and we put the under seal on the clean surface. Here you go. As you can see, the car has been masked, even the flow, before we apply the under seal. That's all been masked to prevent overspray on the mechanical work, on the mechanical parts, and even on the suspension arm that has been masking up properly, covered. Because as you know guys, under seal is disaster. It goes everywhere and it's not easy to remove once dried. This is the other side as well. Same, everything has been covered properly, even the car from outside, the mechanical parts as well. And now we're gonna apply the under seal. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If any question you want to ask, please comment below, and I will definitely get back to you with the answer.